Everybody's talking about inflation, but what is it in the context of real estate, and how does it affect investors? Let's find out. Hi there, my name is Michael. I'm a broker in New York State and a real estate consultant here at Mashvisor. Here on the channel, we publish videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday where we talk about all things real estate and real estate investing, including traditional rentals and Airbnbs. So I'm very glad you're here. If you like this video and you would like to see more like it, please do consider subscribing below. Hit that bell icon and click that thumbs up button to tell the internet this is valuable real estate content. What is inflation? Inflation is a sustained increase in the general price level of goods and services over time. When prices rise, every dollar you have buys less than it did before. The inflation rate is usually measured as an annual percentage increase in the Consumer Price Index. In the context of real estate, inflation is often defined as a sustained increase in the general price of homes and other properties. This can be caused by a number of things, like lax monetary policy, also known as money printing. It increases the amount of money in circulation, which in turn results in the decline of the currency value. Supply shocks. Supply shocks happen when there's a rise in prices due to an increase in demand, but low supply. It happens when there are natural disasters or business and country lockdowns. Demand shocks. Demand shocks are when you find real estate investors engaging in bidding wars to purchase things like investment properties with the potential to yield rental income. Or even things like an increase in the cost of materials to construct homes. It can all have an effect, as you can't construct anything without supplies if they're not attainable or affordable. In the context of real estate, is inflation always a bad thing? For homeowners, the value of real estate appreciates with the inflation rate. With high housing demand yet low supply, homeowners can demand higher prices. It's common to see homeowners receive even higher offers than their asking prices in these market conditions. Investors are another group who tend to experience some positives out of an inflationary market. As with homeowners, their property values rise in such times, but inflation can lead to increased demand for rental properties as well, which can drive up prices and lead to higher profits for landlords. It's the prospective investors that tend to bear the brunt of an inflated market, though. Inflationary times lead to higher costs of borrowing. Since banks and lenders don't want to lose their money, they often offer fewer loans at higher interest rates to reduce their risk. While you may want to invest in short-term rentals during this kind of market, remember as well that during such times, people tend to cut their travel budgets, and since vacation rentals are often driven by tourism, they may not fare well in such times. Hey there, let's take a second from our video and talk about our sponsor for this and all videos, Mashvisor.com. If you're a new investor who's just getting started in the real estate business and you need a little extra help getting started, please check out Mashvisor.com. We help beginner and seasoned investors find the best areas for investing in both traditional and short-term rental properties. And of course, all listings come with analysis to help you make the best choice for your business. So please check it out, Mashvisor.com, and you can get a free 7-day trial by using the link in the description. Thank you very much. Let's get back to the video. So, do we have any advice for investors during periods of inflation? I do. Focus on rental properties. Since many people can't afford to build their own homes during inflation, and there are often less currently built homes on the market, rental properties, including commercial, residential, multifamily, and single-family units, tend to have a higher demand. As an investor, you can then pass that cost of inflation onto your tenants by charging higher rental rates. Real estate investment trusts. Investing in real estate investment trusts allows investors to diversify their investment portfolios and access high dividend payments, and feel somewhat protected from an otherwise volatile market. These investments are a type of investment that allows you to buy real estate without having to actually purchase or manage the property yourself. Trusts are typically organized as companies that own and operate income-producing real estate. The income from these properties is then distributed to shareholders as dividends. For established investors, one should capitalize on rising asset values and hold on to them. History has demonstrated that real estate investors benefit from owning properties over the long term. For example, since the 1990s, median home prices have risen, I read somewhere, around 345%. Similarly, property prices have increased by nearly 20% since 2020. It's another reason to justify using real estate as a hedge against inflation. And now for new potential investors. First, consider timing. When you buy a property, ask yourself, how long do I intend to own this prospective investment property for? If you want to keep it in the long term, you can expect to enjoy the same benefits as existing owners. If you're looking to invest in a shorter period, likely do something like a fix and flip strategy, you might want to wait until the market settles down a bit. And last, make sure that you're getting a really good deal. If the market changes in, say, 5 years' time, will you look back on your numbers now and realize that you overpaid significantly when you're in a different context of life? So there you go. That is the intro to real estate inflation and how it affects real estate investors. If you're a new investor who's just getting started in real estate and you need a little extra help, please be sure to check out mashvisor.com. We help beginner and seasoned investors find the best areas for investing in both traditional and short-term rental properties. And of course, all listings come with analysis to help you make the best choice for your business. So check it out. It's mashvisor.com. You can get a free 7-day trial by using the link in the description. As always, my name is Michael. Check me out on Instagram. It's Michael Talks Real Estate. And I'll see you very soon.